Welcome to Lean Agile Intelligence. In this video, we will be exploring how to launch an assessment. Whether you're assessing an individual, a team, or an entire organization, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by heading to the Assessment Templates page. You'll find it under Assessments in the navigation bar. Here, you can choose from out-of-the-box or custom assessment templates. For this video, we will be focusing on Team Entity and select Team Agility Template. Once you have selected a template, the Assessment Template Details screen will appear. Click Launch Assessment to start the wizard. This user-friendly guide ensures you configured your assessment correctly without feeling overwhelmed. First, select the entity for the assessment. As we have chosen Team, you will only see team entities in your organization. You can even create a new team entity here if needed. If a team entity already has this template assigned, you will see a warning as you cannot assign the same template twice. Next, check if there are any open improvement actions related to the assessment questions. You can close these actions or update them from Jira if they are Jira mapped improvement actions. You can learn more about our Jira integration in our video and documentation that will be linked in the video description section below. Any open actions will automatically mark the associated question as a go or impediment. Now configure the mode. For participant setting, choose between multiple for groups or single for individual assessments. In multiple mode, you can view vote, variability, and select between separate or together modes. In separate mode, participants have the flexibility to take the assessment at their own pace. On the other hand, Together mode is ideal for real-time collaboration as it enables the entire team to complete the assessment simultaneously under the guidance of a facilitator. This mode is particularly effective for sparking important conversations that can lead to team improvement. We'll choose multiple and separate mode for this demonstration. Decide if you as a facilitator will vote. Next, choose what information to require from participants, like email and display name or role. And now choose whether to show helpful resources for each question. Finally, click Launch Assessment. Here you will get a link to share with the participants. Also notice that on the link, you will see the entity and template name to help you send the link to the correct participants. You also have the options to manage or launch another assessment. That's it. You have successfully launched an assessment in Lean Agile Intelligence. Remember, you can manage or participate in assessment directly from the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our LAI community for more tips and guides. Link in the video description below.